The number one career mistake people make that keeps them from attaining FU money or financial freedom is working a 9-to-5 job. How you guys doing? My name is Andy, and I'm not here to bore you, sell you anything, or show you flashy cars or any of that nonsense. I'm going to show you what worked for me and over 400 plus others since 2021, and then get back to finding cheap eggs. I'm an introvert, which means I'm common sense smart, but laugh at my own damn jokes. I'm a college dropout and have had to learn the hard way from every single life mistake. I found a way to take years of good office jobs and telemarketing as a kid to change my life and family's life without selling my soul or feet pics. I've been selling stuff on Craigslist since the mid-2000s, and back in 2014 or so, an ex-girlfriend of mine told me about a site called Fiverr. Who would have thought back then I could use those two sites to live the life I enjoy right now? I won't BS you, this isn't rocket science, nor will I wait to the end of this video before revealing the big secret. I absolutely hate those kinds of videos. I post ads on Craigslist as a big time design and marketing agency, charge a nice fee, then outsource all of the work to freelancers in different countries and pocket the rest as pure profit. Why is outsourcing design and marketing services the best side hustle? First, you get paid instantly in lump sums. Second, it's easy to find clients. Third, all you have to do is act as a project manager overseeing each project, which is really just relaying messages. Fourth, when you deliver good work, clients will keep coming back and you could put them on a monthly retainer ranging from $600 to $11,000. And lastly, fifth, 99% of my clients have never ever seen my damn face. Clients have no idea I'm not a web designer, a graphic illustrator, digital marketer, video editor, SEO specialist, or social media pro. I could be whoever the hell I want to be over the phone or email and simply sound like the right pro they're looking for. Remember that old MTV Catfish show was funny as hell? Especially at the end, the big reveal and you saw the actual person? Well, it's kind of the same, except I'm not madly in love nor fugly. I created an online side hustle course called Side Hustle Ninja Pro. This allows average people with basic email and phone aptitude to get clients from all over the country and then outsource all the work from freelancer platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to execute the jobs at a high level. The profits could be as small as $250 for you to pay your electric bill, or an $8,000 monthly retainer on the first of every single month just from one client for social media management. And guess what? The funny part is the $250 profit could be a simple logo design that you charge the client $400 for initially, and then you could pay a social media marketer $1,600 in Albania and pocket $6,200 from that $8,000 monthly retainer client. Either way, one's life, amount of freedom, and time increases drastically quicker than most other side hustles. Speaking of other side hustles, I did and dabbled with a few, from wholesaling real estate and drop shipping. Some of my friends go crazy, absolutely crazy, when they lose their crypto, or people that sell those generic ass courses for $29.99 that 3,000 other people are selling on Instagram. Regardless of what your side hustle is, different strokes for different folks, as they say, but this is something people do not speak about as much because it's not sexy like some AI chatbot or some big crypto play. But I prefer something that makes immediate cash while the learning curve is next to non-existent. I mean, think about it. Really, you create a well-designed ad on Craigslist and sit back and wait for the replies to roll in. So say out of 3 responses, 2 are flake, but 1 you close the deal on, and it's for a small job. This client, she needs a custom 3D logo animation for $850. Well, I found a freelancer who wanted $400. I negotiated him down to $250, and just like that, I made $600 from a simple $5 Craigslist ad. Yes, this is a small example, but $600 is still half of the average worker's weekly salary for work you're not even doing. Now just imagine that you invested in yourself with a course that gives you all the tools to start closing these and much bigger $4,000 deals within just 30 to 90 days and lays the blueprint for you to scale up within 6 months. Is that not worth it? Look, it's true, the economy absolutely sucks and people are scrambling for side hustles, but which one to choose? I'm revealing the one that works for myself and now 400 plus others since 2022. So what is it? Outsourcing. How does it work? Small to medium-sized businesses all across the US pay me for design or marketing services they would normally pay big agencies, and I simply outsource it all halfway across the world to freelancers that went to school for it in the first place. Isn't that genius, right? So guess who gets paid for being the middleman? Yup, moi. And now so can you. Click the link below for my 7-step video toolkit that shows you the entire process in 7 short videos. It's a PDF that you simply click on each video. 7 minutes is all that you need, and the first video is cheaper than a Chipotle burrito. With that, you'll also get my smarter checklist so you know all that's needed to close your first client within 30 days. These 7 essential videos I personally put together to give any beginner confidence to land their first client and start getting paid. Change your life without the long learning curve so many other side hustles require. These videos have been at the core of over 4 million of my design agency's revenue over the past 5 years. Go on, I left the link in the video's description giving you full access to the video toolkit and even the full starter toolkit for those that are more than just curious and ready for the change ASAP. Guys, no other online course on the market gives you that much transparency and real life detail without buying the full course. I went the extra mile because having someone tell you the pathway is one thing, but to actually have the ability to see the real client deals as they come in via email is a game changer that I feel so many people would benefit from. Lastly, here are a few of my top performing students and the vacations they treated themselves and their families to once they found their groove. I really hope I didn't bore you. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see some of you taking the next step. You'll find all the links you need to get started in the video's description. Simply have a look and change your future.